Hello students, myself Rohit Dhingra from IIT Bombay. In this lecture, I will be teaching to you a very important concept in chemistry, and that is the concept of atomic weight. Basically, you must have seen periodic tables. In periodic tables, the elements are enclosed in square boxes. Their symbol is written. Let us take an atom. Suppose iron is there. So its symbol would be Fe. Below this symbol, a number is written. For iron, that number is 26. This number indicates the atomic number of iron. Above this symbol, another number is written. For iron, it is 56. And this 56 is the atomic weight of iron. We are going to be talking about the atomic weight of iron. What exactly do we understand by atomic weight? So basically, looking at this number 56, you can draw two conclusions. The first one is weight of one atom of iron, weight of one atom of iron is 56. Now, what should be the unit? A lot of students confuse the unit here. Many students state this unit as grams. That is not possible. One atom cannot weigh 56 grams. The weight of one atom of Fe is 56 AMU. So it's a unit of mass. It is called as atomic mass unit. What exactly is 1 AMU equal to? That is something which you are going to derive. So looking at this symbol, looking at especially the atomic weight of iron, I can write two statements. The first statement is weight of one atom of iron is 56 AMU. The second statement which I can write is weight of 1 mole of iron. Weight of 1 mole of iron is, now what is the meaning of 1 mole of iron? 1 mole is basically 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of iron. That is a huge number of atoms. The weight of 1 mole of iron is therefore 56 grams. See, one atom cannot weigh in grams. One atom is too small a quantity. It cannot weigh in grams. But 1 mole of atoms is basically 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. That is a lot of atoms. So its weight can come in grams, and it is 56 grams. So these are two conclusions which you can write looking at this symbol in the periodic table. Now, if you have understood these 2 points, there is a question which I have to ask from you, and the question is, what is the weight of one atom of iron what is the weight of one atom of iron in grams? So you know what is the weight of one atom of iron in AMU. In terms of AMU, weight of one atom of iron is 56 AMU. But my question to you is, what is the weight of one atom of iron in grams? So now you can think about this question and then look at the solution. So in order to answer this question, I would focus on the second statement which I had just written. The second statement was weight of 1 mole of iron is 56 grams. That is the weight of 1 mole of iron. What is the meaning of 1 mole of iron? 1 mole of iron is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of iron. So I could write the second statement in the following form. Weight of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of iron is 56 grams. That is the weight of these many atoms of iron. So what would be the weight of one atom of iron? The weight of one atom of iron would be 56 divided by 6.022 into 10 की power 23 grams. If we solve this number, we get 9.3 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. So this is the weight of one atom of iron in grams. I have seen a lot of students make this mistake. When this question is asked, students reply with the answer 56 grams. That would be wrong. You can even imagine that. Is it even possible that one atom would weigh 56 grams? 56 grams is a lot of weight. So this is wrong. If you answer in AMU and if you state your answer as 56 AMU, that would be correct. But in this particular question, I had asked the weight of one atom of iron in grams. So even this is not an acceptable answer for this particular question. What would be the correct answer? That would be 9.3 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. And this is basically understandable. This is justifiable that one atom would weigh 9.3 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. It is a very small quantity. So this is my first question to you. Now I will ask another question. My second question to you is, what is 1 AMU? What is 1 AMU in grams? So think over this question. Utilize the two sentences which I had written and then try to answer this question. Hopefully you must have tried this question. So basically we would use both the two statements in order to answer these questions. As per my first statement, I had written that looking at this symbol, I can write weight of one atom of iron is 56 AMU. Now while writing this word AMU, I did not mention it to you that what exactly is AMU, because it is something which you have to calculate. So this was my first statement, that weight of one atom of iron is 56 AMU, and my second statement was weight of 1 mole of iron is 56 grams. The second statement can also be written in the following fashion, that weight of Na atoms of iron. Na is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Weight of Na atoms of iron is 56 grams. These are our two statements. the second statement, using this second statement, I can write the weight of one atom of iron, weight of one atom of iron as, see, Na atoms weigh 56 gram. So weight of one atom will be 56 upon Na grams. 56 upon Na grams. Now this statement and this statement, both of them are giving you the weight of one atom of iron. The first statement is giving you the weight of one atom of iron in the unit of AMU, and the second statement is giving you the weight of one atom of iron in the units of grams. But both of them are giving you the weight of one atom of iron. So basically it means that both of these quantities are the same. Both of them are giving you the same information. So both of them must be same. So basically what I can do is equate these two quantities. What I can write is 56 AMU is equal to 56 upon Na grams, because both of them, 56 AMU and 56 upon Na grams, both of them are giving you the same information, that is the weight of one atom of iron. So both of them must be same. Now here we can cancel out the term 56 on left hand side and right hand side, and we end up with 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon Na grams. So this is our result. 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon Na grams. So that is something which you should remember. If we substitute the value of Na is the Avogadro's number, so it is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 grams. If we do the division, we get 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. We could also write in terms of kilograms, and it would be 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. So any of these three results, 1 AMU is equal to 1 upon Na grams, 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams, or 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. Any of the three results could be used in questions depending upon the need. Now we will try to use this result in a question. So let us apply this result in a question. Suppose we are asked, what is the weight of 100 atoms of carbon in grams. Now in order to solve this question, you should have some knowledge, and the knowledge is you should be knowing the atomic weight of carbon. And if you look at the periodic table, you will see the symbol of carbon. You can find the atomic weight written above the symbol, and that is 12. So attempt this question looking at this symbol. Okay, hopefully you must have attempted the question. Basically, looking at this symbol, I can say that weight of one atom of carbon is 12 AMU. So weight of 100 atoms of carbon See, weight of one atom of carbon, looking at the symbol, weight of one atom of carbon is 12 AMU. So weight of 100 atoms of carbon will be 12 into 100, and that is 1200 AMU. But this wasn't asked in the question. We were asked the weight of 100 atoms of carbon in grams. So we will utilize the result which we had obtained earlier, and we will convert AMU into grams, and simply you will find the answer. We know that 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 ki power minus 24 grams, and that is your answer. So this makes solving questions easier. If you remember it, what is 1 AMU? 1 AMU is 1 upon Na grams, or it is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. Had the question been asked in the units of kilograms, you simply would have written the relation that 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. So this makes solving problems easier. So now let us take another question. Suppose the question is, what is the weight of 100 moles of carbon? In the previous question, we were asked the weight of 100 atoms of carbon. In this question, we are being asked the weight of 100 moles of carbon. But the unit must be mentioned. Let us say the unit is in kilograms. So the entire question is, what is the weight of 100 moles of carbon in kilograms? Now in this question, we need not bother with the unit of AMU, because 1 mole of carbon weighs 12 grams. So we can simply say that weight of 1 mole of carbon is 12 grams. Therefore, weight of 100 moles of carbon will be 12 into 100 grams, or I could say 100 into 12 grams. 100 into 12 grams. This is the weight of 100 moles of carbon, which comes out to be 1200 grams. But in this question, we were asked the weight in kilograms. So in order to obtain in the unit of kilograms, we would divide it by 1000, 1200 upon 1000 kilograms, and the answer comes out to be 1.2 kilograms. So we must judge the questions. We must look at the questions carefully, whether we are asked the weight of 100 moles of carbon or we are asked the weight of 100 atoms of carbon. If the weight is desired for 100 atoms of carbon, we must focus on the unit of AMU, while if the weight is asked for 100 moles of carbon, we would look at the unit of grams.